Pronouns. 1. I, nin. 2. You, kin. 3. He, she, win. 4. You guys, quinoa. 5. We, excluding you, ninwe. 6. We, all of us, quinoa. 7. They, winawa. 1. I, nin. Me and Joe, we went to Toronto. Nin, minwa, Joe, gi pajame, Toronto. 2. You, kin. You and Joe went to Toronto. Kin, minwa, Joe, ki pajam, Toronto. 3. He, she, win. She is going to Toronto. Win, we paja, Toronto. 4. You guys, quinoa. You guys went to Toronto. Quinoa, ki jam, Toronto. 5. We, ninwe, excluding you. We are going to Toronto. Ninwe de pajame, Toronto. 6. We, quinoa, all of us. We are going to Toronto. Quinoa de pajame, Toronto. 7. They, winawa. They are going to Toronto. Winawa pajawuk, Toronto.